back with another video, man. Right now, your boy finna go home. Probably go pick up some E85 and do some stuff to the Mustang. But I got a box back here, as y'all can see. Got some in the Mustang that's finna make it. Y'all know what I mean? Got some in the Mustang back there. Finna go probably get some E85 and probably try to see what's up with my wideband. But I'm gonna get back at y'all when I get to the house. I know what that is. Let me take it up the plastic. See what that is? They know what they're moving. Y'all see how they go? Y'all see what that's for? Y'all know what that's go to. Y'all know it's supposed to sit up on the bench. Y'all see what we got this? Put this back in the box. Y'all see that? Y'all feel them? Yeah. What is this? This crossover too. It's supposed to go on a loud ass truck. It ain't going no goddamn where. Look, this. This great. Y'all can use. It's supposed to go on the Chevy Silverado, but we gonna make it fit on the Mustang. I mean, the Tahoe. Really. Good. Yeah, let me see it. Got on this seat so like that. Alright, yeah, good. We got another little header. Addition right there. Another little header. Right now, we got this little turbo that's gonna fit on there. One of my old little turbos. Put that on there for the moment. Y'all see it? Upgrade. I'm gonna go a little bigger. But looks like that. Pause the video. Y'all see, we got some more little stuff coming in. We got some heat route. Working headers in. We got feedings and stuff like that. Full feed, oil line and stuff. Okay, got everything, but y'all see, your boy's finna go ballistic. I think my fucking starter sorted out or some shit like that, but yeah, my OG got me. Man, your boy fresh off work, man, but the boy's gonna put I'm gonna drill a hole in the tap here for this ding port on my water pump. Let me set y'all up. don't know that slide through. Right now, I'm gonna go get probably step it up, and go get the this. Gotta go get a step it, a Google bit. Alright, I got it back on, so now I'm gonna blow the radiator out, put the bolts back in for the radiator. I'm gonna show y'all what I can do with it. Y'all see your boy did it, man. Your boy got the goddamn nipple. Still gotta get a hose for it. All I got is clear hose right now. Still gotta get a hose for it. Still gotta get bolts for that. Still got some more shit. But I just put it back together. And I'ma clean this shit up. Probably do some more when I get back. But gotta go do it air. Yeah, I see the new spring compared to the old spring. So now, your boy finna put the, the bushing, the freaking, what do you wanna call it? Fit me? Boy fit, man. DJ pulled up. Oh shit. I ain't gonna lie, that bit here, yeah. I'm going to put them lowering springs in. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, that bit. That bit look good. Yeah, that bit look good. Yeah. Going down the street. Yeah. That bit stupid. My boy finna put the bump on this shit. They got some shit in stock for this motherfucker. Put the bump on that hoe. Stars on the roof on that motherfucker. Yeah. Get that bit right. I gotta put the badge back on that bit right at the top of that hoe. Yeah, the top of that bit, that bit already black. I fuck with it. I gotta wrap it. Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna put the exhaust on that motherfucker. The exhaust? What you going with? Of course, the motherfucker, hell yeah. I heard that bitch coming down the street. Hell yeah. I see my shit, dump truck. That bitch shit look like a dump truck. You said you put them on the front? See, yeah, the front, goddamn right. That bitch like way lower than yours now. Yeah, that been a wave. I had to do this one last night. That bitch is. That bitch is sitting lower.
I'm telling you, that bitch, when you put it
Yeah, what up? Hey y'all, we finna do the other side. I'm gonna show y'all how this shit look out there.
right.
Man, while we on this bitch trying to change the goddamn spring, lower spring, I see why my wide band not fucking working. I ain't gonna lie, a lot of shit been fucking up because of the fucking exhaust. The fucking heat fucking wires up, but y'all see that right there. So right now I'ma just I am. Y'all see that shit? I'ma go in that bitch, I'ma take it off and I'ma cut it. I'ma cut it, the burnt shit out. I'ma rewire and reroute that shit. I'ma take that bitch to the exhaust shop. Well, see, I'm finna go turbo, so I ain't really worried about it, but I'm gonna cut this shit off and rewire this shit and redo it. Fucking up, man. Yeah, we got the old spring out. So now we finna goddamn old spring out, so now we finna slap a new one in type shit. That's it, man. It's dropping. We still gotta do the back, but I'm finna goddamn take Lil D for a ride the Mustang. He ain't been in yet. Hopefully everything go good, but I'm gonna move my Honda over there. And I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get in the car. Me and Lil D, we went out. I did a little bait pull in a bit. You see it?
Lower that motherfucker.
Yeah, we still gonna lower that bit on the back. I ain't get done tuning. I said fuck the tuning on the NA, cause y'all know what I got. I got the damn turbo kit. Got shit in the car for it. We're gonna probably install that on like the next video. The video after they gonna start installing that motherfucker. But hey man, but Hellcat swapping that motherfucker. But hey man, y'all gonna see us on the next video. We're gonna get into some more shit, but we're gonna fuck with y'all folks.